Hello students, welcome again to our Turito YouTube channel and our TEJAS series. So that was the question. I believe all of you would have definitely enjoyed in solving, in attempting this question. It's a special one. So for me it's a special one because when I solved this question I realized that we have to use several many things. So that's why I chose this question for you people. So starting with the first step. So the integral is dx over x minus 3, I suppose, x minus 3 whole cube into square root of its x square minus 6x plus 10 बच्चों. Okay, now see, the first step according to me, again I will repeat, the first step according to me is replace x minus 3 by 1 by t. So that's the first step I will suggest here bachcho. Okay, so that's the first step I will suggest. Let's move ahead. So I is equal to, of course, then dx is to be replaced by minus 1 by t square dt. Let's see how does it help us. Okay, see, that's what I thought when I was trying to solve this question. So that's the thing which struck my mind and then I could solve it. Let's see how. So it's dt over t square, of course, for dx, and x minus 3 is 1 by t, so 1 by t cube. And see, we can write this as x minus 3 whole square plus 1. Okay, so this is nothing but under root of 1 by t square plus 1. So what is it? So this is nothing. When you take LCM, bachcho, so what do we get? So this gets t and you have one more t in denominator of denominator. Okay, so overall you get t square dt by under root of t square plus 1. Okay, so that's it. And now, as I said, the other things which are involved are standard special integrals. Okay, so now what will we do? So we have our integral as integral of t square over under root of 1 plus t square with respect to t. So what shall we do now? See, everyone knows you will add 1 in the numerator, subtract 1 in the numerator to balance it. Okay, now you will break it into two integrals, 1 plus t square over under root of 1 plus t square with respect to t and minus 1 upon under root of 1 plus t square, of course, with respect to t. And then you have your standard integrals, as I said. So this is 1 and that's the another one. And I believe all of you must be knowing what to replace, what's the integral for these standard ones. See, there are 6 standard integrals which you all need to remember. X square plus a square, integral of under root a square minus x square, and integral of under root x square minus a square. Similarly, 1 upon x square minus a square, 1 upon. So these are the integrals which you can't afford to miss, to forget bachcho. Okay, so these are the standard one. And similarly you can have for x 1 upon x square plus a square, 1 upon x square minus a square. So these are 7-8 standard form of integral which you people can't afford to miss. Okay, so I believe you all must be knowing the how to solve it or what's the value of this integral. You will put the value, replace t by what, x minus 3, and you get the answer. Okay, and one more thing, see, if you have to derive it, see, if I have to derive it, so what I have to do, we will be going for appropriate trigonometric substitution. And for that, let me discuss here itself quickly. Anything in the form of x square plus a square, the trigonometric substitution which we prefer is x is equal to a tan theta. Similarly, for x square minus a square, the trigonometric substitution we prefer is x is equal to a sec theta. And for a square minus x square form, x is equal to a sin theta. Okay, so even if you don't remember, like I will say, I don't remember it right now. So if I have to derive it, I will replace t here also, t by tan theta, a is 1, and here also t by tan theta, and then you can easily integrate it and get that result directly. But again I will say, you people should remember these results as standard results, these integral as standard results. Okay, so that's it for today. important aspect was this substitution. So if this is something new for you, then I will expect that from here onwards you should have this trick, this method also at the back of your mind, where you can replace the linear term when you have a combination of a linear term and other expression, polynomial expression, okay, in the denominator. Then that one thing you can always try replacing the linear term by 1 by t बच्चों.